Hello my dear sweetheart subscribers, welcome back to my channel. GL Manhwa. This is new Manhwa, Kiss Me in the Dark of Night. Chapter 1. Young master, you're here at last. Sorry, there was a traffic jam. Where's the thing? My name is Jing Lai. It's in my yard, follow me. Master, I originally wanted to ask a cultural relic specialist to take a look, but I felt like this didn't fit with their profession. Not their profession. What do you mean? My job is to subdue monsters and demons. It's been raining for half a month straight. I kept hearing strange noises coming from the yard, so I thought the water pipe was broken. I decided to dig it up and take a look. Unexpectedly, we dug up a European-style coffin. The sound was coming from inside the coffin. It's so scary. Miss Wang next door told me that you are an experienced master and that I should ask you for help. Can you please take a look? I see, so you are not sure whether the coffin contains cultural relics or dirt. Yes, exactly. Bang, tap tap. There was indeed a sound. But it was very faint. It's possible that the rainwater soaked the coffin and caused a chemical reaction. This has happened a few times before. Although I don't smell zombies, there seems to be some type of creature inside. Could there be a rat inside? Worried. Does that mean it might not have something unclean inside of it? Should I call the Cultural Relics Bureau instead? Bang, ack, kachak, squeak. A foreigner. Oh no, this foreign girl looks like she's only been dead for a few days. How did she die? Should I call the police? No odor from the body. How is this possible? My family's land hasn't been touched for decades. How did a body get there? Motionless. No sign of resurrection either. Is this truly a corpse? Auntie, call the police immediately. Okay, I'll call the police right now. Strange, so strange. Pulls. Wah. Young master. Oof. What's going on? Oh shit, it came back to life. It doesn't matter, I'll just use the blood sealing talisman to freeze it. Pulls. So strong. Who are you? She's speaking zombie. Or is it English? Damn, my hands are restrained so I can't make seals. This female zombie has no reaction to my protective golden energy. Do we have to fight? She's too strong. You can understand what I'm saying, right? I don't care who you are, just get off me. Otherwise, I'll turn you to ash. Scratches. You. Wipes. Thinking. Blood. She's a blood-sucking zombie. So sweet. I can't move. Blood, sweet blood. Damn it. The source of life. She's going to tear my skin open and rip out my arteries. I'm going to die here. I still have 28 years left on my mortgage, and I already paid 2 years worth of interest. I can't die yet. Slap. Abrupt stop. Phew. Saved. The blood sealing talisman is the first talisman I learned to make after joining the Canyu sect of Motion. It's the most powerful immobilizing talisman. Proud. Whether it's a spirit, monster, demon, or ghost, as long as they're affected by the blood sealing talisman, they can be immobilized for at least 10 minutes. Eliminating demons and evil spirits is the right path, but if a person dies, how can we talk about enforcing justice for the heavens? Keep this in mind. Confused. Tears off. What's this? What is it used for? What? Why didn't it work? Am I really so lucky that I met a legendary monster? Or is it that Eastern spells can't defeat Western monsters? But at the last gathering of the demon hunting group. Boring. What's going on? Throws. That guy, Lee Sangkwon, is still bragging about subduing an evil Russian spirit from 200 years ago with a peachwood sword. $500 wasted. Hello. Snaps out of it. Ack. Shoves. Picks up. Jump. That lady ran really fast, but that's good. It'll prevent more casualties. The blood sealing talisman can't even stop this demon. I'll have to increase my strength. Steps. I won't be responsible if anything gets burned. This talisman is worth $1,500. I wonder if that lady will reimburse me. Giddy earthly fury of yin and yang listened to the call. The heavenly fire immortal summons and disperses it. The flames of the fire dragon and the 8 trigrams swirl together. The talisman takes shape and breaks through the void. The true fire of Samadhi listens to my call. The power of the 5 elements gathers at my fingertips. The spiritual light shines through the darkness and the evil spirits are driven away to protect the country. Bursts. I didn't want to be cruel, but you forced my hand. Done. Time to call it a day. Hey, don't go. Huh, what's the matter? How is that possible? Even the fire dragon talisman is useless. Are you crazy? If you're going to perform magic tricks, you should inform me in advance. I wasn't mentally prepared and it really scared me. Drops. Huh, what language am I speaking? Hi guys, thank you so much for supporting me and please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Hey sweetheart subscribers, welcome back to my channel. GL Manhwa. This is new Manhwa, Kiss Me in the Dark of Night. Chapter 2. What language am I speaking? Hey, why aren't you answering me? Digs through. How would I know? Look at my magic mirror. Ah, it's so dazzling. Dust to dust, ashes to ashes. Fun, fun. Crackle, thunder magic. I can't believe this. Boom. Mum, can you do the bell shaking trick again? The sound is so nice, it makes my body feel tingly. Do it quickly, I'm still waiting. You. Trembles. Why can't I kill you? Pushes away. Why do you want to kill me? You just tried to suck my blood. Suck blood? I didn't. Huh. Yes, I wanted to suck her blood. Why did I want to suck her blood? Where is this? I'm Clark. But, what's my last name? Who am I? Tell me. Huh, how am I supposed to know who you are? Don't you have too many questions for a monster? Master said that demons are the best at lying. It happened just a few minutes ago, but she can't remember it. She's obviously pretending. You are a zombie, a dead person. Let go of your attachments and return to being dust. I am dead. Crack. I'm clearly alive, so why is she saying I'm dead? I'm human, right? But can humans suck blood? Why am I here? What the hell is this place? Hey, stop acting, I won't believe you. Police officers, quickly. Here, it's this woman, she's a zombie, catch her quickly. Do you even hear what you're saying? Who are these people? Miss, what happened to your clothes? Don't look at me like that. Don't look. Hey, stop. Wow, that girl is pretty fast. Miss, didn't you say someone was dead? Wasn't that just a parkour enthusiast? Parkour? What parkour? The speed of that jump was a little more than just parkour, sir. Right now there's this extreme sport called parkour. Sometimes people dress weird. It's normal for young people to have special hobbies. Miss, you have to keep up with the times. No, there was a dead person just now. If you don't believe me, ask young Master Jiang. Oh, look, there's the coffin I dug up. The evidence is irrefutable. Mr. Policeman, it's okay, that was just my cousin. She ran away from home and disturbed this lady. What a lie. That coffin is her prop. No, didn't you just say? Ma'am, I'll walk the policeman out first and then explain it to you. Young Master Jiang, why did you lie? If you tell the police to catch a ghost, they'll just treat you like you're crazy. By the way, miss, please pay me the fee. Ah, but the zombie ran away. The fee is non-negotiable. I am not responsible for services regarding the female zombie after her departure. Why? Am I able to jump up on the roof? Steps. You are a zombie, a dead person. Let go of your attachments and return to being dust. That woman is talking nonsense. I can breathe. My heart is also beating. Bathump. How could I possibly be dead? Obviously, I'm still alive. The compass hasn't responded, and other tracking methods didn't work. Could the sun have turned her into a pile of ashes? No, if that was the case, then she would have turned to ashes in the yard. The sun doesn't seem able to burn her. I've been doing this work for so many years, and this is the first time I've had such a difficult case. How can I kill her? Can I just hit her with a brick? Sigh, I just hope she doesn't kill anyone otherwise. I feel really uncomfortable. Huff. Why am I getting so out of breath? What is this place? Domestic violence. Should I call the police? Ah, could be mental illness. Don't go over to her, she might scam you. Hey, I said. Are you alright? Didn't I tell you to not interfere? Are you in trouble? I'll call the police for you. So pitiful. Don't bother, she might lash out. We should leave quickly. Gulp. Please, look at the condition she's in. We can't just leave her alone here. What if some bad guys see her dressed like that and kidnap her? The police on patrol will help if they see her. We don't need to act. I heard the sound of blood pumping through veins. Hey, what are you doing? I could even smell its alluring aroma, a temptation I wouldn't be able to resist. She said that I tried to suck her blood. I can't suck blood. I'm a human. I'm a human. Sizzle. Huh, why is the sunlight burning me? That scared me. What was with that sudden shout? Look at her, she's not even wearing shoes. She's crazy. Recoils. No, it can't be. It should be. Close to here, right. I hope I can find her within an hour and make it back to the car, or else the parking fee will be a ton of money. This is the financial district, where every inch of land is worth money. Am I still a human being? Only vampires fear the sunlight. Coffin. Blood. Witch. There's no other reasonable explanation as to what I am. I'd rather the sun burn me to death. You're really easy to find. Splash. Little Miss Witch, you're so slow. Huh, witch. I'm a mage. Did you bring a wooden stake? I didn't. Why does her face look like that? That's a shame, I was naively under the impression that I would die soon. Disappearing. Why do you have that expression? Why? By the way, I'm curious about something. What's up with the scars on your face? Huh, the scars are gone. Am I pretty again? Just now she looked like she was waiting for death, but now she's worried about her appearance. That's a pretty stark contrast. The scars on her face gradually disappeared after I found her. It appears that I have some type of connection with her. I can't kill her and she can't leave me. Is the connection natural, or was some type of spell cast on her? Hey, do you want to come home with me? You're really impolite. What is this? A cheap couch. A really old neighborhood. It was definitely a mistake bringing her home. How will I pay rent? Why don't I use my perfect body? Like, what? You. See. Blush. You really are an evil monster. Put some clothes on before you talk to me again. You even flirted with me, girl. What are you doing? Instantly. Appears. Can I shower before changing my clothes? I can't underestimate this woman. Hi guys, thank you so much for supporting me, and please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. Hey sweetheart subscribers, welcome back to my channel. GL Manhwa, I hate you and I like you. Chapter 1/3. You can. Why am I helping her draw the bath water? Who helped me develop this personality? Ahem. Jean Lai's master. Thank you. I know how to draw the water now, so I won't bother you anymore. I'm heading out, you can wash up. I haven't asked yet, what's your name? Jean Lai. Hello, Jean Lai. Impossible. Bang. Take your time washing up. Why do I think she's pretty? Shouldn't that be impossible? She's a monster. Hey, what else do you want me to help you with? If you find a way to kill me, then will you kill me? Of course I will. Aren't you a vampire? I'll definitely turn you back to dust. Oh, blub. Okay, great, take a nice bath. Maybe it'll stimulate your blood circulation and turn you from a vampire back into a human. Semiconductor AIFs have risen for the third consecutive month. Semiconductor AIFs invest in stocks of companies engaged in the manufacturing of semiconductors. They don't treat investors as humans and just lie constantly. Mumble. This is supposed to be an increase. What happened? You. Pridagi, why'd you shout? It smells so good. I thought you slipped and fell. Speechless. It's embarrassing that I'm this anxious. I'm a vampire. She is so hot, guys. Vampires don't slip. Do you enjoy being naked? With a face like mine. And a figure like this. Why wouldn't I show off? What are you holding? A hair dryer. Stay still. Ah, whoa. Don't be afraid, I'm going to dry your hair. Will this blowing thing kill me? Not even magic can kill you. Plug it in and then press the button to turn it on. That's how you use the hair dryer. Will you remember? By the way, do you remember what year you were born in? Feels nice, I forgot. It was an era without hair dryers and there weren't any four-wheeled metal boxers on the road. Those are cars, so she's at least 150 years old. Never heard of them. If she's 150, then she'd only be considered a lower mid-level monster. It's dry. I love hair dryers. You showered and your hair is dry, so now let's talk business. Okay. First off, just because I can't currently kill you doesn't mean I'll give up. Second, it too can't live in my house for free. But I don't have any money, so I'll have to use my body. Your body is worthless. To me, your residual value means more. As a monster, you can help me out. I'll calculate your daily wage according to industry standards. There are no standards in this industry. What I say goes. I have a question. Can I get an advance on my salary? Since you can't open a bank account, this is my spare phone. The Alipay is linked to my bank card. Take a look and ask me if you don't understand. If you have no objections, then we can verbally agree on the labor contract. As a boss, you must first show your sincerity in order to get your employees to work well. Okay, an old-fashioned little demon who is learning how to use the internet. Half a month later, young Master Jiang, you came back just in time, please sign for this. Sure, what did that damn girl buy? There's another batch coming this afternoon, will you be home? I'll be home. Bang, Clark. You're home, help me open the packages. I got you a gift. Give them to me, thanks. Clark, have you calculated how much you've spent this month? I don't have to do calculations with electronic accounting. Just deduct it from my salary. Call me when you need my services and I'll be there. She uses her phone so much. She adapted to a high-tech life so quickly. As expected, beauty needs good lighting. I'll strive even higher. Prolgi Jinglai, you've been tossing and turning in your sleep. I checked online and it said it must be because you're not using the right pillow. I watched so many live shopping shows until I found a worthwhile pillow for you. Go and try it out. Clark, you spent my own money to buy me a gift. When an 800-year-old vampire can learn technology faster than 99% of parents. Grin, what did you buy all of this for? For live streaming. I found this light that's supposed to make my face smaller, it does right. Live streaming. Your face is already small. Yeah, I stayed up late researching live shopping broadcasting and found that live streaming at home should be a perfect side job for me. Crosses legs. After a lot of thought, I think I can be a beauty blogger. When my fanbase increases, I can sell products on stream. When I become famous, I won't only pay you back. Stands up. But I'll even be able to support you. Hurry up and change, I have to finish a job today. But I wanted to try streaming tonight. You just told me that you'll be available. Throws. We need to get going, the place is far from here. If you don't come with me, what happened before will happen again. I don't want that. Why haven't you changed yet? I'll change in the car. Could you be a bit more modest? Takes off. You've seen my body how many times now and you're still shy. That's different. We're outside. Are you worried that I'll be seen by others? What are you doing? Sit down. Master, if you open your eyes, I don't think you'll be disappointed. Pressers. Don't copy TV shows. Put your seat belt on. Ha ha ha, you're so cute. Why did I save her back then? Customer's house in suburbia. Please light 3 incense sticks. Carefully, young Master Jiang. Should the incense be upright? Correct. This incense represents sending respect to the gods in heaven and the dharma. Okay, good. The beauty filters are pretty good. Wouldn't it attract more viewer if I film my mage girlfriend's daily life rather than just chatting about beauty? Dharma is the teachings of Buddha, it is the path to liberation. That's different. We're outside. Are you worried that I'll be seen by others? You, please step back. Yes, of course. Commands. The earth has settled. The 8 directions cleanse, the gods will return. Yin and Yang revolve. All things return to being one. The gracious 3 realms and 10 directions. The requirements have been completed. Carry out the request with haste.
Around $120 USD.
Ding, you have received 888 yuan. I'm so thankful for young Master Jiang, very thankful. Alright, time to head home. You're damn mage, you exorcised my sister. I won't forgive you. I guess I wasn't of any use. Didn't you collect the payment with the QR code? You're not completely useless. I know you're mocking me. F-wish. Let's go home so that I can stream. Plop. I'm so tired. I performed the ritual and drove the car. Why are you so tired? Sits. By the way, I recorded the hours you worked with me today. I'll go over them with you at the end of every month. Can the time I spend with you count as work hours? If I were to accompany you now, could it be counted for overtime pay? I wanted to ask you, if you're possibly like girls. Girls are sweet and soft, so of course I like them. Do you not like them, Jing Lai? I don't know. Caresses. You are too close. Do you want to try it with me? You might really like it. Stop it. Aren't you researching live streaming? Go study. I'm tired after today. I'm going to sleep. You are so stiff. Ha ha ha, you're so cute. She's as cute as a piece of chocolate cake. Makes me want to eat her up. Huh, it's so hot. Clark, is that you? What are you doing? Oh. Huh, no. Don't keep going. You really don't want more. Huh, if you tell me to stop, I won't continue. Clark, don't. Explodes. Penetrates deeper. All I did was cast a little spell and it turned you so lewd. Killing you physically isn't enough to vent my hatred, I want to kill you socially. Revenge for my sister. Grabs. Let me go, let me go. Aren't you under my influence? Pokes. Is this an elf from the legends? So soft. Damn it, don't poke me. When dealing with a tiny demon like you, my unrefined reverse counter spell comes in handy. So you brought me back here on purpose. How are you restraining me? Peach blossoms. Peach blossoms are often associated with warding off evil spirits. Once someone is under your influence, they will experience things their imagination desires. You want to drain our energy, correct? Protest. So what? You indiscriminately saved my sister's soul, so I want to take revenge on you. So you are the sister of that spirit. I am. You say I acted indiscriminately. The girl whose essence was drained by your sister is still in the ICU. If her family hadn't immediately come to me, she would have become a wandering ghost. I'm acting on behalf of the heavens, is that wrong? Slumps. At most, that girl has a serious illness, but my sister is gone for good. Even though you don't have the same murderous aura of your sister, I'm afraid you've hurt people before. I already saved your sister and allowed her to be reincarnated. If you're going to keep causing trouble, then don't blame me for being rude. Is there anything else you want to say? Wronged. We are born like this, draining the essence of others in order to survive. You humans eat chickens, ducks, fish, and geese. What's the difference between that and me absorbing essence? Why aren't humans punished, but we spirits get destroyed? I tried to bring salvation to your sister who harmed someone. Since this matter has nothing to do with you, I won't kill you. You mages are indeed heartless and ungrateful. From now on, as long as you don't harm others, I won't attack you. Get out of here, young master, you know that's impossible. In this day and age, who cares about using other people's lives for survival? I used to have a sister, but now she's gone. I can only rely on myself, and I can't survive without absorbing people's essence. See you later, young master. Jinglai, without you, I would have to suck human blood to survive. I want to live, but I'll kill people. Do you think I'm scum that needs to be eliminated? If I became friends with you, would you still be willing to kill me? My original intent of bringing you back was to find a way to get rid of. Oh no, how did the topic turn to me? Stands up. I'll let you off the hook as long as you don't hurt anyone. I'm hungry. Do we have anything to eat tonight? It looks like we're out of food, so let's just eat instant noodles. I'll cook, you wash the dishes. I don't want instant noodles, I want Mao Zhu Wang. Combines blood curd from duck, tripe, and chicken gizzards along with other organs into a simmered broth containing chilies and peppercorns. Otherwise, I'll suck your blood. I changed my mind, but she's still holding a grudge. I want something super spicy. Raw, fine, I'll go buy some groceries for you, okay. Lies down. Fresh pig blood, not powdered blood. Alright, the vampire wants to eat Mao Zhu Wang, right. Super spicy, right, okay. Beaming. Eyes widen. Taps. I have to find a way to make you more reluctant to kill me. Survey says the gex happened because while under the influence of the spirit, their inner desires took over. Let's see what happens next. Hi guys, thank you so much for supporting me, and please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.